Hi everyone, welcome back to SoftGPT. Are you struggling to edit scanned PDF documents? Editing scanned PDFs can be frustrating because they're essentially images, not editable text. Many tools are complex or expensive, but PDNob PDF Editor changes that. Here's the easiest and fastest way to do it for free. Today, I'll show you how to edit scanned PDFs in just a few clicks using PDNob PDF Editor. PDNob, it's compatible with both Windows and Mac. Check out the download link in the description and let's dive in. Once you've installed and launched the program, click on OCR PDF and open a scanned PDF. With OCR technology, you can convert images and non-editable text into editable and searchable content. PDNob OCR can read text in over 16 different languages, making it useful for people all over the world. The OCR function then extracts text from the image-based PDF. Once extracted, you can readily edit and annotate the text as needed. This includes highlighting key sections, editing readings, adding comments, and making corrections. Let's try the same thing with another scanned PDF. PDNob OCR is a true time saver. It eliminates the tedious task of manually retyping scanned documents, freeing up valuable time for more important work. Let me guide you through the standout features that make PDNob PDF Editor a must-have tool. One of the most innovative features is the built-in AI function, accessible on the right-hand side. With just a few commands, the AI can summarize the content of your PDF, saving you hours of reading. You can ask questions and get detailed answers in seconds. For example, if you want a summary of a long document, just ask the AI to condense it, and it will provide a concise overview. This means no more sifting through pages of text or spending time searching for key details. The AI can also help you locate specific sections, highlight important information, and make your workflow faster and more efficient. The comment feature offers various styles such as highlight, underline, and strike through. You can also enhance your documents with stickers and stamps, making your annotations more engaging. Simply choose the style or sticker you need, position it where required, and click to apply. PDNob allows you to modify text, add new text boxes, and insert images. With the link function, you can create hyperlinks to external files or web pages for further customization. You can resize pages using the crop tool or enhance your document with watermarks, backgrounds, headers, and footers. The convert feature is incredibly versatile, enabling you to export your PDFs into formats such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, making sharing and collaboration effortless. The page management tool gives you full control over your document's layout. You can rearrange pages, extract specific sections, or split the document into multiple files. Additional options for inserting, replacing, or deleting pages provide unmatched flexibility. If you're concerned about security, the Protect feature allows you to secure your PDF with passwords. You can set one password for opening the file and another for editing permissions, ensuring your content remains private. The Tools section is packed with extra functionality. You can merge multiple files into one document, compress PDFs to reduce file size without compromising quality, and even use the Screenshot tool to capture parts of your PDFs for presentations or explanations. PDNob PDF Editor is a versatile, affordable solution for all your PDF needs. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, Its extensive features and ease of use make it an excellent investment. Click the link in the description to download it now and take your PDF productivity to the next level. That's it for today's video. Give it a like and comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to SoftGPT for more amazing tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.